How to fix can't pin apps to start menu in Windows 10 11th issue. 1. Set not configured to prevent users from customizing their start screen at user configuration administrative templates start menu and taskbar in group policy editor, bedite.msc. 2. Run get-ups package elusers for each head-ups package disable development mode register $_dot install location, apex manifest.xml command in Windows PowerShell, as admin. 3. Run the system file checker. 4. Drag and drop the apps to the start page. 5. Restart Explorer within the Task Manager. 6. Change lock start layout from 1 to 0. The setting should be saved at hkey_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Explorer. 7. Create a new user account. Turn off PowerShell and turn Windows features on or off. 9. Turn off the tile data model server service, then delete the tile data layer directory at /your_username/app data local. 10. equals to the programs directory at c:\program data \Microsoft \Windows \start menu \programs.